Hi friends, welcome to our channel Classical Coding. In our previous video, we already discussed about design patterns and most specifically singleton design pattern. If you missed to watch that video, please take a look. The link is mentioned in description. Today, we discuss about another well-known design pattern, that is factory design pattern. A factory design pattern or factory method pattern means define an interface or abstract class for creation of an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class. The factory method pattern is also known as virtual constructor. Let's come up with our key points. First of all, this is a creational design pattern. That means factory pattern defines how the object will be created. It promotes loose coupling. That means the object will be created according to the requirement and it is defined dynamically. And this allows the subclasses to choose the type of objects to create. Now we will discuss this factory pattern with an example. Let's start our coding. First, we will create one abstract class. That is our plan class. It has one attribute called rate and one method that is getRate, and that is one abstract method. Now we'll create another class that is domestic plan, which extends the plan class. That is one abstract class already we have discussed. So here in the domestic plan, we are defining the rate as 3.5 and it is returning the value. Now we'll discuss about another class that is international plan. And again, it extends plan abstract class. And here the rate value is 7.5. Now we'll write our get plan factory class. Within that, we have a method called get plan. And according to our input, that is the plan type, we will return the object. If the plan type is null, then we are returning null. If the plan type is domestic plan, then it is returning or instantiating a domestic plan type object, and plan type is an international plan. The same scenario, it is returning new international plan. That means it instantiate one international plan type object. Next, we will create our driver class, that is factory pattern demo. First, we will create our get plan factory object, and then we call plan factory.get plan and sending the plan type as domestic plan. So it returns one domestic plan type object, and now we will print the rate value. The next time we will send international plan type as an input value, and it will return international plan type object, and the next thing is we are printing the value. Now let's run our code. Here we can see the domestic plan rate is showing as 3.5 and international plan rate is 7.5, and the objects are created according to the plan type value, that is the input value. So this is all about factory design pattern. Thanks everyone for watching the video till end. Kindly share your feedback in the comment section. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We try to put new videos every week. That's all for now. Goodbye friends. Thank you.